Hello there. So let's create a Expo app. First, we're gonna type in pim create Expo app. Okay. Oh, that's that my app. This will take some time to download such dependencies like basic dependencies to install React Native app. It- There are actually two ways to create an React Native app. One with CLI and one with Expo. I'm creating one with Expo right now. I will create another tutorial to install an app using CLI. All right, application has been installed. Let's change the directory to my app. Right code. So our application folder structure is like this. Some basic folder structure has been provided. And if we need to like run this app, we're gonna write so start, no, export. All right, our application is on the run, and when we are when I scan this QR code using my mobile phone, it's gonna install on my mobile phone and will be updated accordingly. So this was it. And let's say if we are running anything here, all right, nothing on it. These are a simple user manual to switch to development build, and to open Android, we're gonna press the open web, we're gonna press W. That's all. Press W. Okay, it's gonna take some time. It will just display a basic screen. Okay, we are here. All right, that was it. And we will learn more in later tutorials. So yeah, that was it. Thank you.